Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Varsha. I hope you guys are doing good. Take care of yourself. Today I will be explaining you about Shein at sorry. Today I will be explaining about Shein, their points and the return policy, all the information in details. I hope you will like it. Before I continue, I would request you to all please click on like if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. So now I'm on Shein. I will quickly click on me. Just click on me. Now I will explain you about Shein levels, points, then after return policy and refund. So first is level. I'm on S3 level. Do you see S3? I'm on S3 level. So there are 3 levels on Shein which is calculated on the 6th of each month, every month. I'll just show you. So do you see here membership level update on the 6th of every month. For S1 it's required 0.01 US dollars. S2 it's required 50 US dollars and S3 it required 200 US dollars. So you need to do the shopping according to the rules and regulation. So these levels has some rewards. There are some points, that is exclusive icon, level up coupon, free shipping card, pops up privilege, speedy refund, VIP service, free festival gifts, Sinister magazine. Sinister magazine I do not use. In terms of free festival gifts, yes, I completely agree. They do give you gifts if you place an order according to the rules, like order value. And I did receive a gift which was very beautiful, not expensive, not cheap, but it was very beautiful. I loved it. Next haul I will show you that. One more thing, in terms of level, it also has expiry date. So my S3 level will be expire on 7th, that is 11th of July. Second, points. For the points you have to visit Shein every day. Click on points and then click on go check in. To earn points you have to visit every day. If you missed out one day or you forget one day, you come back to first day, and first day you always receive 2 points. So do not forget to visit every day. Every points has expiry date. It has 2 months. I'll just quickly show you. Just click on points history. Do you see receipt date and expires? So it has 2 months. You also can earn, what is this? You also can earn points on your orders. When you place an order and when you receive it, we click on confirm delivery. So when you click on confirm delivery, you do receive some points that is totally depend on your order value. Also you receive some points on your reviews too. So when you're giving your reviews, do not forget, just post one picture. Also, it doesn't require that you have to wear it. Just take a picture of the item and post it along with your reviews. You do receive some points for that. It is absolutely calculated by Shein. So if you see, I'll just give you one example. Do you see I have ordered 3 tops here. When I click on reviews, It shows here 0 out of 100. It doesn't mean that you will be getting 100. That is absolutely calculated by Shein. Now third, that is return policy, which is very important. So let me go in orders. I will just click on randomly one item. In terms of return policy, our guarantee return or exchange within 15 days after the date of delivery. The item which is you're going to return, it should be unused, undamaged and in original package. Return shipping fee is paid by buyer. I will just quickly click on learn more. There are two types of return. Either you can return the items by your own through post, or you can ask for the delivery person to come to your house to pick up the item. When you ask for the pick up the item, you do get charge of 65 rupees, which is get deducted from your refund amount automatically by Shein. If you're returning the items, do not use the address which you get it on the parcel, because that address do not belongs to Shein. If you want to know the address, you have to get in touch with the customer service. I will show you after that. So have you claimed for return? For that you have to click on my order. When you click on my order, you do see return item. I'll just quickly show you one example. So do you see here return item or return item here? Just simply click on return item. I cannot return it because I have exceeded the return time. So when you click on return item, you get list of items. Just click on the item which you want to return, select the reason and submit it. Now I'll just explain you which items cannot be returned, because there are some items which you can't return it according to the policy. Okay, so here I am on return condition. Points 2, available return items. So the items cannot be returned, that is body suits, lingerie, swimwear, jewelry and accessory, except scarf, bags and mermaid blankets. Also promotional items, free gifts, flash sale. So these items cannot be returned. But if you receive damaged item in flash sale which cannot be returned, you can just simply get in touch with the customer service, discuss with them, they will explain you what you need to do. Now quickly I will explain you about refund. If you ask for refund, the amount get refund and get credit in your wallet. Do you see in between points and gift card, wallet? Just click on wallet. When you ask for refund, you get the amount which is get credited here. So there are two types of refund. Either you can ask for refund for the items which you have returned it to Shein, or if you have ordered something and the item is not available, out of stock, in that case Shein automatically credit the amount in your wallet. You do receive the notification for the same. So this refund amount either you can use for the next shopping, or you can ask, or you can withdraw the amount. For the withdraw the amount, you have to enter the amount which you have received and just click on withdraw. In terms of withdraw, how long does it take the amount to be credited? If we have paid, do you see the fifth point? When will I get my money? After withdraw deposit. If we have paid by PayPal, the amount get credited within 48 hours. If you have used your credit card or debit card, it takes 7 to 14 working days the amount to be refunded, to be processed. One more thing which is important in terms of points. I'll just quickly show you one example. So here I have created one order just for demo to show you. So here I'm in shopping bag. I'll just simply click on checkout. The first thing you see is standard shipping, that is 130 rupees because the order value is not according to the order value, terms and condition. Shipping guarantee 38 rupees. I do not select this amount. I'll just grayed out. I do not want to get charged for 38 rupees because I trust Shein. Then do you see apply vouchers? You just simply use the apply vouchers. Okay. Afterwards, do you see points? So when I click on points, either you can use complete points or some points. So if I would click on all, I have 245 points. I will click on all, apply. I do not get credit for 245. So just remember the points what you have earned, you cannot use complete. That means Shein do not give you, do not credit the amount completely. So out of 245, I have received 186 rupees. If you have 800 points, the amount will be credited when you use it 800 points. The amount will be credited, that is 650 rupees. It's my personal experience. I have accumulated till 800 points and I have used it for my orders. So guys, yes, earn points and use it. That's all for today. I hope you have understood about Shein levels, points, returned, refund. The last thing I forgot to tell you, that is how to get in touch with the customer service. Do you see more services and support? Just click on support. Just scroll down. There are two options, live chat and call service. There are timings also. Online time is 9:30 to 1:30 plus 1 day. And call service, that is the work time is 10 a.m. to 20, that is 8 p.m. If I click on customer service, there are many options, that is pre-sales, problems, account, refund, return, cancel item, return item, tracking, recent order. So whatever you have concern, you can just click on that, and when you click on that, you get, they say I want to ask refund. Okay, so this machine, this robo has replied to me, refund method, refund amount, refund status. So according to that, you have to select and have a conversation with the customer service. One more thing, I think I did not discuss. For an example, if you order something and the order get split, when you receive the parcel, you think that you have received everything, and by mistakenly we click on confirm delivery to get the points, and after 1 or 2 days you realize that just one or two items were missing because the order was split. Hence, you can get in touch with the customer service. Trust me, guys, you don't have to worry about your package. They actually know about it. So, this happened with me in the past when by mistakenly I have clicked on confirm delivery. When I got in touch with the customer service, they have informed me that they already know that the items were not delivered to me. After texting them, after having conversation with them, I received the items within 4 to 5 days. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood everything about Shein. I hope guys you have liked my today's video. If you have liked it, please click on like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for your valuable time. Have a great day. Take care. Tata, bye bye.